this is Joanna from La Casita de Inglés. Today we're going to make a robot hand. Here's what you're going to need. Card, some straws, string, a scissors, and a hot glue gun. If you don't have a hot glue gun, don't worry, you can use sellotape. So, the other thing we need is a marker. I'm going to use this black marker. You can use a pencil if you want to practice a little before we do this. So, everything to the side. And first, we're going to draw around our hand. So I'm going to do it here. My hand's a little bit bigger. I'm going to draw around like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Try and get all the way down to the bottom. Between the fingers, around the thumb, and back down to the wrist. Step 1, done. One hand. So we still need these scissors, but let's put the hand just to the side for a second, and we're going to get our straws. What we're going to do, we're going to be cutting 3 small pieces for each finger, 1 big piece for each finger, and that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 3 is 15. 15 small pieces. So I've decided to take 5 different color straws, 1 for each finger, but if you have 1 color or they're all white or anything, it doesn't matter, it's perfect. Okay, so small pieces, like maybe this size. Oh my gosh. So let's see how big that is. Well, it depends on the size of your finger too. This is like 1.5 centimeters, but your hands might be smaller, so you'll need to do smaller sizes. Okay, so for example, these will be going like this. One, 2. I think we're only going to do 2 for the thumb, perhaps. Yeah, I'm going to do 2 for the thumb. Okay, so we need 1 longer one. How long is this? This is about, I'm going to do about 4 centimeters, more or less. Okay, in each color. Okay, more or less around 4 centimeters. Okay, so here we have them. Now it's time to glue them on. So I've got my hot glue gun here, getting ready. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can just use your sellotape, so don't worry. So I'm going to begin with the smallest ones and stick them on. Okay, one at a time. You want to space them out like where your joints would be in your hand. Okay, then here I'm going to do the long one. In the direction of that finger, okay? So that's why I'm doing the colors, to remember which one is going with which. Here we have one going to the middle finger. Here to the ring finger. And last but not least to the baby finger. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just bend the cardboard a little bit in between each of these. Okay, so it's like your knuckles. So here, this is the baby finger. This is a knuckle. Okay, this is a knuckle, this is a knuckle or joint. So we're bending it like a baby finger, okay? Now, so you can see how it's gonna move already. It's starting to look more like a hand, right? The next part, we're going to get our string. So here I have some white string. That's what I'm going to be using. Okay, so let's see. Let's get the ruler and see how long it's going to be. To be up here, bring it down to about here. That's around kind of between 28 and 30 centimeters. Okay, around the 30 centimeters, let's say. Okay. This is for the thumb. We're going to put all of them at 30 centimeters. Okay, so very carefully, I'm going to push the string through the straw, but only the ones that are the same color. So this is only going to go through the blue straws, okay? Push it all the way down and catch it at the other side. Okay? Now at the top, we're going to make a knot, but we're going to make a big knot because we don't want it to fit down through the straw again. So I'm going to get a bit of tape, not too much, and I'm just going to tape it over the top. Okay, here, and bring it over the top of the finger and down onto the other side. Like that, I can be sure it's not going anywhere. Perfect. Next string. Wonderful. So now all of them have a piece of string. What I want to do is make a little loop on each one. So tie it the best way that you can to make a little loop. Okay. I'm going to do that on each string. So there you have it. Now is the moment to put each loop on the correct finger, okay? Baby finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, and thumb. Okay, ready? Oh wow, it's like a robot. Very cool. So there you have it, your very own robot hand. Super cool. I can't wait to see what amazing designs you guys come up with. You can paint it, add stickers, add fur, add anything you can think of. Okay? Can't wait to see your amazing designs. Bye!